Hi, Rachel Mazza here, and I wanted to share something with you that I learned this week that really helped me in my business. So, quarter two is starting today. If you didn't know, it's April 1st today. Happy April Fool's Day. And for a lot of people, that is very exciting. For other people, that is absolutely terrifying, knowing that quarter one of 2019 is already over. And for me, I've been thinking a lot about what's next for my business. So I've reached a level of my business where I'm quite comfortable and I'm really enjoying working with the clients I have. And I'm having a great time running my business as a full-time freelance copywriter. And I've been thinking about what's next. So my friend Chris Orzechowski shared with me this exercise from Frank Kern, and he calls it your best payday. And what it does is it's a worksheet and it's a system which allows you to rank your ideas for business growth against a certain number of criteria to help you determine what is the most profitable and the most rewarding aspect of your business to focus on next. And so for me, I always have lots of great ideas, right? As a copywriters, we always have this idea overwhelm because we've got so many great ideas. We're constantly researching and generating ideas because that's what we get paid the big bucks for. But sometimes that can be a little bit paralyzing as well because you've got all these great ideas and you're not sure what to focus on because you can't do everything all at once, right? So the idea of this Frank Kern exercise that's your best payday is you take the deliverables that you're going to actually deliver. So what's the outcome of your idea? So for example, are you delivering an online course? Are you delivering a long form sales letter as a done for you copy assignment? Are you delivering consulting or coaching and helping someone grow their business? So take that deliverable and match it against these 5 criteria. And what you do is you rank your idea from 1 to 5 for each of this criteria. And at the end, you add those all up and then you get a number at the end of it, right? And so you can actually physically rank your ideas by what is most profitable and most rewarding for you to focus on in your business. So here's the criteria. You're going to rank each of your ideas from 1 to 5 for each of these 6 criteria. So the first one is it has to be a high net profit deliverable. So does it make you money after you're done spending whatever you need to spend to develop it and promote it and sell it? All right. So number 1, does it make you money? Number 2, does it energize you? Do you actually enjoy doing it? That's a huge one, right? We often do things that we think we're supposed to do, but we may not even like doing it. It may sap our energy, which limits us and our business. Number 3, is the deliverable, is it easy to deliver? So how easy is it for you to actually perform what you need to do in order for that thing to make you money? Okay. Number 4 is how easy is it to sell? So how easy is it to actually get people to give you money for this thing? That's pretty big, right? Because you can have the greatest idea in the world, extremely valuable deliverable, but if you can't sell it, it doesn't mean nothing, right? Number 5 is it something that you can sustainably keep doing over time, right? We're all about making money now, but of course this has to be something sustainable that you can do over time. And number 6, along the same lines, is it repeatable, or are you able to automate it or have someone else do it, right? So eventually we want to remove ourselves if we want to reach a certain level of growth so that we can scale. So can you have someone else do it, or can you automate it? And so those are the 6 criteria. And so next time you're feeling stuck or you don't know what to focus on next because you just got so many great opportunities, then matching your ideas to these 6 criteria can really help you kind of rank the priority of what you should focus on. And of course, you don't have to limit yourself to one thing, but maybe just focus on one thing at a time, get that done, get that moving, get that automated, and then move on to the next thing. So this is something I always struggle with because I want to do everything right now. And so I just thought that I would share this with you guys because it's really helped me a lot plan for my quarter 2 and for the next stage of my business. So this is the kind of stuff that we're going to be talking about on the new Business of Writing podcast, which I'm launching with my friend Laura Gale. So if you want to learn more about this stuff, about the business of running a writing business, whether it's copywriting or ghostwriting or content marketing, then comment below and let me know, and I will add you to the list so that you can find out as soon as that is launched. Because we're also going to have some raffles and prizes for our first listeners. So if you want to learn more about the Business of Writing podcast, then comment below, and I will add you to the list so you can know as soon as that launches. Until then, have a great day and happy April Fool's Day and happy quarter 2.